Another issue that arises with the emergence of a single global language is that of linguistic complacency. That is, people being completely satisfied with having one language as a sole tool for communication in all fields of life. There are many reasons behind this lack of motivation for learning other languages. One is lack of money. Learning a foreign language, of course, includes a lot of expenditure for buying books, other materials, and also hiring expertise for learning the language. It also includes lack of opportunity. For example, if a foreign language is not available for learning in school, finding opportunities for learning it will be very difficult. With the emergence of English as a global language, people have further lost interest in learning any other language as a foreign language. However, we see a change in this attitude now. People are breaking away from this monolingual bias. This monolingual bias is more evident in English speaking countries. According to a UK based research organization, 90% of the businesses in countries like Luxembourg, Greece, um, Netherlands have an executive who can speak some other language than their own language. Whereas in England, only 23% of businesses have an executive who knows any other language than English. People now have realized that for successful business, they need to know the language of their business partners. Therefore, there's a lot of interest in learning languages like Chinese and Japanese. With a desire to learn other languages, people are also showing more acceptance of the other people's culture and are even ready to adopt these cultures. People are showing a readiness for language learning all around the world. For example, in Australian schools, Japanese is now available for learning as a foreign language. Similarly, in the UK and the USA, Spanish is being offered to students in schools for learning as a foreign language.